Hi class, I have a question for you. Have you ever been driving and then you hear a ping on your phone, a notification on your text messages? Then you look down to see who's texting? I have, and I'm guilty of it. Usually it's my children asking me, what time are you coming home and what's for dinner? But I'm here to tell you that the text can wait. I'm here to give you 3 reasons why you shouldn't text and drive. I'm going to tell you what is distractive driving, how texting and driving is equally risky as drinking and driving, and what the law and fines are in Texas. So, what is distracted driving? Distracted driving is talking on the phone or sending text messages while operating a vehicle is considered distracted driving. Additionally, everything that diverts you from focusing from the goal of safe driving includes eating, drinking, having a conversation with the person in the car, messing with your stereo or your navigation system. That diverts you from paying attention to the road. Distracted driving has taken more than 3,522 lives in 2021, according to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. So anything non-driving activities you engage in could be a distraction that could cause a crash. Now I will tell you why texting and driving is equally risky as drinking and driving. How many drinks is texting while driving equivalent to? The answer is 4. While most Americans believe that it is terrible to drink and drive, they don't seem to feel the same way about texting and driving. According to some research, texting while driving is becoming the new drunk driving. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, texting and driving is 6 times riskier than driving while intoxicated. So although driving after consuming alcohol up to the legal limit reduces reaction time by 12%, writing a text message slows it down by 35%. Now let's talk about what happens if you get caught texting and driving. So you will get a ticket, which is a misdemeanor. First offense, $25 to $100 ticket. If you get caught again, your second offense will be $100 to $200. Now, if you get in an automobile accident and there's a death or injury, you could face up to a $4,000 fine and a year in prison. I told you a little bit about the fines for texting and driving. Well, let's make a comparison of driving while intoxicated. So the first offense is $2,000 fine, 180 days in jail, and a year-long suspension for a driver's license. Now, if you get caught again, your second offense is $4,000 fine, 1 month to a year in jail, and 2-year license suspension. Now, if you get caught the third time, the final offense is $10,000 to 10 years in prison and 2 years license suspension. In my opinion, the law against texting and driving are very lenient, especially if one wants to draw a comparison with drunk driving. Now let's recap what we went over. I explained to you what distracted driving is. I also explained to you how texting and driving is just as dangerous as drinking and driving. Then I gave you the fines for texting and driving while intoxicated. I hope this information helped you to persuade you to not text and drive.